Hi, my name's Michaela, and I'm in the International Business Management program. I would describe the classroom environment as very respectful and inviting as well. It's very easy to ask questions and to feel like you're welcome in the class. So a lot of my professors have backgrounds where they have taught or worked in other countries, which makes their perspectives a lot different when they're teaching us in the classroom. It's a lot more hands-on, and you get a lot of stories that just back up the knowledge from the textbook, which really enhances the learning that we do here. In the second semester of my first year, I took a business integrations course where we did an SAP simulation, I think about 3 or 4 times, which was really, really exciting. We were broken up into groups and we got to work together, learn how to communicate, and to finally reach that end goal of competing with one another. But we were running a business and we were trying to make the most money and make the most profit, and it was actually really exciting because you had that competition aspect, and we also were competing with one another all in the same room. It was really, really exciting and probably one of the highlights of my first year. I think so far at Conestoga, what makes me the most proud is just the marks that I've gotten. I've been able to get a really high GPA, which I'm very, very proud of, and also going back to my parents and being able to say that I worked hard for the marks that I got just makes me really happy and proud. I love being a Conestoga student because a lot of my friends actually went to Conestoga before me, so being a part of that pack and that group makes me really, really proud.